Buddy Chad from Colorado Giants. Today's Wednesday, August 29th, I believe. Do a quick update, let you know what I'm doing. I'm actually outside doing real work in the pumpkin patch. As you can see, I am starting to hack away some of the 2043 plant, pulling it out because the pumpkin would not be eligible for a way off. You know, you can see the crack here. So that's cracked. I'd say this is probably a 200-pound pumpkin. But my goodness, look at its butt. Ugh. That thing is hideous. But the crappy thing is that even though this pumpkin is ugly beyond belief, the plant itself is really good. Aside from, if you watched the last video, my aphid infestation. Other than that, everything looks great. I mean, it's the stem. Look at the beautiful stem, the main vine, nice and beefy. The plant was vigorous. I mean, shoot, you could see kind of, I had to pull sections of vine from this plant out of my other one. So it was, it's a great aggressive plant. I kind of gone through on my walking boards and just hacked away what was on the other. Or, you know, kind of what was going over. And yeah, so I'm gonna clean this whole quadrant of the patch out. I'll go back through and I'll kind of clean up. You can see the stump of Gouda over here. The 1317 is crazy, so I'll clean that up a little bit. And yeah, definitely should you know, memo to self, leave a path, leave an accessible path to your stems, because all of those sucker vines are ridiculous. And that's where it seems like the vast majority of my sucker vines are stemming from, is the stump. I've also found a handful of basketball-sized pumpkins, and look at that. That pumpkin in there is probably, I don't know, I bet you that's a 200-pound pumpkin in there that is just doing his thing. So I'll probably let him go and have a you know, pumpkin that I can easily wrangle for the porch. But 1718 Ceja, number 1, 1718 number 2 Gouda, and then the 1937 Urena McRib still growing. And shoot, I could see a pumpkin back there on McRib. My goodness. Just goes to show you how important it is to spend, you know, time with your plants and not go out of the country and go out of state 6 times during the pumpkin growing season. But all things considered, I think I'm still doing great. We just taped that one. It's really hard to get an accurate tape on it because it's such kind of a blobby shape. We're guessing that one's about about 720 pounds or so. I think it taped 750 on the app, which is the old chart. So I just saw something move. What is it? There's a bird in here. So if it goes to 700, I'll be happy with that. But yeah, so that's what's on the agenda today. Oh, a little pumpkin in there. Got some mustard seed I ordered from Mr. Ron Wallace. Gonna get a cover crop going in here, get it going nice and early. So hopefully next year, it's always next year. Next year, I'm gonna beat Joe. Next year, or Mark, one of the two. I'd be happy with either. Have a good one, guys. Let me know how your season's going. Comment below. Hit that subscribe button, which is over here or over here. And the little bell, which lets you know when I post a video. Have a good one, guys. Take it easy.